PSVR 2 is the latest virtual reality headset from Sony. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into everything you need to know about this exciting new piece of technology, from the hardware and design to the new features and improved capabilities. The original PSVR was first released back in 2016, and while it was a groundbreaking piece of technology at the time, it had its limitations. Sony has been listening to feedback from users and has made significant improvements to the PSVR 2, making it a much more advanced and immersive experience. The PSVR 2 comes with a host of major upgrades and improvements. One of the most significant changes is the inside-out tracking, which eliminates the need for the PlayStation camera and Move controllers. This allows for greater freedom of movement and a larger play space. With this new feature, you'll be able to move around your virtual environment without any restrictions and explore it in a way that was not possible with the previous version. Another major upgrade is the improved display. The PSVR 2 boasts an improved field of view, going from 100 on the old version to 110 on the new one. This means that you'll be able to see more of your virtual world than ever before. Additionally, the resolution has been bumped up from 960 by 1080 to 2000 by 240 for each eye. This means that the visuals will be clearer and more detailed than ever before. And to top it off, the refresh rate has been increased to 120 Hz, making the image on the screen smoother and more responsive. The PSVR 2 also utilizes a technique called foveated rendering, which uses eye tracking in the device to only render the maximum resolution of the pixels that your eye is actually looking at. This allows for far better looking games that are easier to run and improves the smoothness of games. With this feature, you'll be able to experience your virtual world in a more immersive and realistic way with minimal lag or stuttering. The PSVR 2's new controllers, called Sense controllers, are a significant upgrade over the previous version's Move controllers. They don't have the weird balls on the front of them and instead use the infrared tracking from the headset for everything. This allows for a far more precise and accurate tracking of your movements. One of the standout features of the Sense controllers is the grip button. Unlike the grip button on the Quest 2, which has a long range and isn't always precise, the PSVR 2's grip button is a physical button that provides a satisfying click when pressed. This makes it easy to know when you're gripping an object in-game and eliminates any uncertainty. Another impressive feature of the Sense controllers is the adaptive triggers. Adaptive triggers are a new technology that allows the resistance of the triggers to change depending on the in-game action. For example, when you're pulling back on a bowstring in-game, the resistance on the triggers will increase, making the experience feel more realistic. This technology is not new and has been around for a while, but it's the first time we see it in a consumer-grade headset like the PSVR 2. In terms of comfort and design, the PSVR 2 has made some significant improvements over the previous version. The PSVR 2 still uses the halo strap design, which distributes the weight of the headset to the crown of your head, making it one of the most comfortable headsets on the market. The original PSVR was known for its comfort, and the PSVR 2 continues that legacy, making it easy to wear for long gaming sessions. The facial interface on the PSVR 2 has also been improved. It uses an accordion-style facial interface that blocks light and molds to your face for a comfortable fit. This means that even if you wear glasses, the interface will still block light and provide a comfortable fit. Additionally, the PSVR 2 has an IPD adjustment slider that uses eye tracking to help you adjust it through software, making it easy for anyone to use. The design of the PSVR 2 is sleek and modern. It's a noticeable upgrade from the original version in terms of aesthetics, making it a great addition to any gaming setup. The PSVR 2 is also more compact than the original, making it easier to store and transport. Overall, the PSVR 2 has made significant improvements in terms of comfort and design. When it comes to the PSVR 2's pass-through feature, Sony has made some significant improvements over the previous version. One of the main upgrades is the inclusion of a pass-through button on the headset itself. This means that with the press of a button, you can take a quick break from your game and check out the real world without having to take off the headset. This is a convenient feature for those moments when you need to answer a text or grab a drink without completely stopping your gaming session. In addition to the pass-through button, The PSVR 2 also includes a pass-through camera. While it's not quite as advanced on the pass-through camera on the HTC Vive XR Elite, it still allows you to see the real world with decent clarity. This means that even when you're fully immersed in a game, you can still stay aware of your surroundings and quickly check in on the real world. Another key aspect of the pass-through feature is the ability to adjust the transparency of the view. This means that you can fine-tune how much of the real world you see, whether you want a fully opaque view or a more transparent one. The PSVR 2 gives you the flexibility to make the adjustments you need. The PSVR 2 also includes an advanced eye tracking technology, which is designed to provide a more immersive and realistic gaming experience. This technology is used to track the movement of your eyes and adjust the display accordingly, ensuring that you always have the best possible view of the game. One of the key benefits of this technology is that it can be used to help calibrate the headset, making it easy for anyone to use. The PSVR 2's eye tracking technology also helps to improve the smoothness of games, as it only renders the maximum resolution of the pixels that your eye is actually looking at. Additionally, this technology can also be used to enhance the realism of certain games, such as by making the characters in the game react more naturally to your movements. So, in conclusion, the PSVR 2 offers a host of major upgrades and improvements compared to the previous version. From inside-out tracking, larger play space, and improved display to higher resolution, refresh rate, and foveated rendering, the new Sense controllers offer improved functionality with precise grip button and adaptive triggers. The comfort and design of the headset, with its halo strap and accordion-style facial interface, ensures a comfortable fit. The pass-through feature and eye tracking technology make for an even more immersive experience. Overall, the PSVR 2 is a huge step forward for virtual reality gaming. We highly recommend checking it out for yourself and experiencing the difference. After learning about all the amazing upgrades and improvements of the PSVR 2, we hope you're excited to give it a try for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned VR veteran or a newcomer to the scene, the PSVR 2 offers an unparalleled gaming experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more VR-related content, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts on the PSVR 2. Thanks for watching.